Alright, how's everyone doing? Y'all getting tired of seeing pak choi yet? Want to see something different?
You're like a Ferris wheel circling around, off in an open field.
Now, I've been saying this is a carefree system, and since we have to go out of town for a few weeks,
Give me your hand and I
I've decided to let everything go.
in a place I've
We'll see how it does.
to find a way.
Gotta clean up and get ready for spring anyway.
Will you take my hand, or will you just keep spinning? Searching for 7 years, yearning to see
Oh, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything this year.
who you will be.
Gonna be a blast.
The moment when I saw you leave, how will it feel if I break through the trees? In a place I've never been, to find a way I'm wandering. Will you take my hand, or will you just keep spinning?
Don't take life too serious. Spend a little time with someone you love.
I'm not about to figure it out for you. What will you do?
We're home.
I never move for you.
Did you miss your daddy?
For you.
Let's check the garden.
Say if there's not a way to you.
Well, we've had our share of troubles this year. Cold with the water spinach. Nutrient deficiency with the NFT system. And when we got back, we found aphids. Dirty little buggers.
I could say something gently.
Then after a few days of cold, it got hot again. Like up in the 80s. Feels like spring around here. All of the lettuce bolted, went to seed. Even the pepper plant we thought was dead started to set fruit again. And the bees came out.
Like the snow of December night, calling out your name and it lingers on. Shaking with the fear
Now these 3 heads of lettuce did pretty good. They didn't bubble like the rest of the stuff.
all I have not to say.
Like all this pak choi went to seed. And that one lettuce up there started to bolt, so it got kind of tall.
How's it gonna be if you run away? Tell me that you please come home. Please
But these 3 did out. Well, there was 3.
tell you that I'm
Somebody got one of my lettuce.
not to
Probably my wife.
leave if you run away. Tell me that you please come home. Please come home.
Caught you this time. Take as much as you want. We're gonna harvest all of this, okay?
I'm cooking tonight.
Okay.
Some leftover butternut squash.
Yeah. Okay, this is a crappy shot. I know it's too bright, but I wanted to show y'all. This is only getting partial sun during the winter, so it's got to be moved. Since we've got to harvest the whole thing, figure it's a good time to move it to the left. Now, if this was springtime, I would save these for seeds. But for now, we're just going to leave them out for the bees.